Alright, so I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. First, I'm going to trim off my nails. My nails are really short here, but I don't like to grow out my real nails. So I'm just going to trim off my nails, but not too short. I'm just going to trim them off, and I'm not going to file them down. Next, I'm going to use a nail file. You can use any type of nail file. This one is from Sally Beauty, and it's the 100 to 180 grit. So this step is really crucial because this is going to make sure that our nails last longer. So you just want to file your nail down, but not too hard. You just want to make sure it has some type of like a rough edge to it. And I'm going to do that on each nail, on each hand. Next, I'm going to be applying these EC Basket nails that I got from Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description box. So this set comes with so many nails. Like, I've had this nail set for like almost 2 years, and I still have nails left that I can use. I only use like about 4 sizes because my index and my middle finger are the same size. So I just use like the same size nail for those 2 fingers. So I like to just go ahead and figure out which size fits my pinky. This set kind of got mixed up a little bit from being like turned over, and some of them had fell out. So I still have to like kind of size them up each time I use this set. And I like to just go ahead and just sit it to the side. So I'm just going to repeat that process for each nail. And like I said, my index and my middle finger are the same size. So I use the same size for those 2 fingers. Like, my nails are basically like almost the same size. I don't use the bigger size of nails that come in this set, so I still have like a lot of those sizes left. Now I'm just going to line up each nail, starting with the pinky nail first. I'm just going to line it up in a row so it's easier for me when I get ready to glue it. And I'm going to be using a Kiss Mega Hold glue. You can use any type of nail glue as long as it's a really strong hold so your nails can last longer. So I'm going to start off with my pinky nail first, and I'm just going to apply a dot of glue, and then I'm going to apply the pinky nail onto my real nail. And then I'm going to hold down onto the nail. And I'm just going to repeat that process for each nail. After all of my nails are glued down, I like to take the nail file and just kind of file off the tip of the nail, since these are stiletto nails. And it does have like a little sharp point at the top of the nail. So I just like to lightly do this to each nail on each hand. And I'm not going to file the actual nail because these aren't acrylic nails. These are like plastic nails. So I'm just going to file off the tip of the nail. Then I'm going to use my Kiss gel polish, and this is in the color This Romance. I'm like obsessed with this color. It's not really like a fall color, but it has like a gray tone to it. It's showing up like a green gray color on here, but it dries down to like a dark matte, like a dark gray color. Alright, so I'm kind of sloppy when it comes to painting my nails. I'm just like in a hurry to just hurry up and get the process over with. But they don't turn out looking too bad. So yeah, that's actually the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you decide to purchase these full cover nails. They last about 2 weeks, maybe even 3 weeks, depending on what type of work you do. But they always last for me like about 2 weeks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.